of Salt Lake County, of Utah County, incredible access to both. Well, EDGEhomes has a community. It's called Hidden Canyon Estates. It's up there in that Suncrest area, only phase 2 of building right now. And Anna Cook is joining me to talk about the newest model that they're building in this community that actually you've never seen before. This is a brand new Edge model.
It's absolutely beautiful. So it's our Tessa Floor Plan. This is the first time we've actually built it, and it's just phenomenal.
Okay, so what do you love about the Tessa Floor Plan? What makes it different?
There's so many things about it, but it's so open. You've got those big, beautiful windows, and then the central gathering place that kind of brings the family together. But at the same time, it's very strategically designed, so the bedrooms are kind of tucked away, so it's private at the same time. So you've got a great combination of open and spacious, yet cozy and private.
The great room is my favorite part of EDGEhomes, because that's where my family hangs out, right? You're in the kitchen, like family room there, going back and forth. 2 stories, this great room is?
Yeah, so huge vaulted ceilings and then 2-story windows as well, which goes a long way, especially in our Hidden Canyon community where this new Tessa model is, because you've got beautiful views up there of the mountains.
Let's talk about that location for a second. You kind of straddle Salt Lake County and Utah County right there?
Yes, yes. So you got views of both of them. It's right in the middle. Great location.
Well, it's actually easy to access both, too. I mean, it's not tough to get up there and then go either way.
Not at all.
It's absolutely a gorgeous location. You say just started building there.
Yes. So we're in phase 2 of 7 in our Hidden Canyon community. So it's really coming along, and it's so beautiful.
So Tessa is a 2-story? Is it a bigger floor plan?
It is. It's one of our bigger ones. So you have you have the option of having 4 bedrooms, and it's really spacious and nice.
I love the design of EDGEhomes. If this is something you'd like to walk through, you have an open house coming up this weekend.
Yes, and we're so excited. So you can come up to our open house. It's up in our Hidden Canyon community. So it's 15008 South Springtime Road in Draper. The event's 12 to 5, but then we're going to have food from 12 to 2. So great opportunity. Edge really has a lot of fun with our open houses.
So let's talk about that for a second. When you hear the word open house and you need to attend one, why? Why are these so fun?
So it's a great opportunity to walk through the model, but at the same time, we have food. There's going to be hot chocolate, donuts. We're doing a giveaway. So it's really a good time.
So Anna and I were talking about this earlier, and if you've been watching the news, you know that there's supposed to be snow Friday night into Saturday. And at Edge, they say, oh, well, like our homes are built for Utah. Come take a peek.
Exactly. It's beautiful, even with the snow. And we'll have hot chocolate, so it'll still be a great time.
Well, and you can see those views, too, in the snow. It's going to be beautiful there on Saturday. Okay, so don't forget, if you go to that area up there in Suncrest, you have the mountain biking trails. I mean, you're right by the city, but it feels like you're so far away.
Yes, you're kind of above it all, but you're not physically far. So
Anna, I can't wait to see this new model, 12 to 5, 150th South, right there in Draper. Go to our website for all the information. We'll link you to all the Edge info. They're on Facebook, they're on social media. That's their website. Go to goodforutah.com/GTU and go take a peek at the Hidden Canyon Estates and that Tessa Floor Plan. Thank you, Anna. Coming up next, everybody, we are headed into the kitchen. We're making a healthy version of the Shamrock Shake.